Hey guys, I'm gonna show you something. This is it just come back to me. Okay guys, so I'm talking to this girl and she was like, hi, hey, hi. And here's the thing that got me. Hey, are you a girl? Not there. I'm okay, are you? Who are you talking about? I am her. I don't think. Are you not my boyfriend? And she said, I don't think I am enough with him. He always says to me, I miss you, I love you, I don't know what he eats. Who? Your boy expert, Han Chris. And when I figured out that she was talking about Han Chris, and basically this is what my status say, and she's like, no, not. She's not going back to that pain no more. So she couldn't say anything. Why he broke up with you? Oh, it's okay. Well, he has a new girlfriend, but not me. So I did a stupid mistake. What do you do? Backed off! But yeah, I hated that I hurt his feelings and break her heart. I was stupid. Well, when I was sad too, cause he has a new girlfriend. I did, but how do you know about me? He always says to me when he's sad, like what? Like, hey, my girlfriend break up with me. I was sad because of her, because I love her. And here's the thing, I didn't break up with him. He unfriended me. I tried to explain everything, and he unfriended me. So how the heck I break up with him? Me and him were still together on that time, but then he find out what happened between me and the other boy. He didn't let me explain, and he unfriended me. So I don't know how I break it up with him. So he technically break up with me. I guess. What else? I miss her. I want to hug her. Kimmy as usual. How is he? Shit, sorry. And this is why this is getting legit mixed feelings. Cause I don't know. He miss her, but yet he cannot just talk to her. At least talk to her, or friend her again, and they could talk and talk. I don't know. There's so much mixed feelings in this video right now, and about Black Rose too. This is like, and she's telling me all this. I'm shocked, and at the same time sad, and at the same time angry, and at the same time so confused. I don't know, guys. I really don't know how you all feel about this. Black Rose seriously don't know how to feel about this. I don't know, part of me is just imagining that this is actually on Chris and I am actually talking to him. I don't know. This is just so many emotions right now. This is so much mixed feelings. I don't know. This girl is telling me about how Chris that he misses her and he loves her and he wants to hug her. I just like, then why? Why unfriend her and do not let her explain what happened between her and that other boy? Just so many things in her head right now. Guys, even though all that happened between me and him, like, he did not let me explain what happened between me and the other boy, and he unfriended me, that he was supposed to date me. Even though that all happened, Rose Blackwell still cares about that boy. She don't know what to feel right now. She's probably gonna take a little break. But right now she needs a friend. So any of her friends, be gladly to text her. I gotta go. Goodbye, YouTube. I see you tomorrow. I hope. I see you tomorrow. I hope. Like I said,